Quadcopter 101 here, and before we get started, I want to get my shout-outs out of the way. Today's shout-out goes to Ben Z. Ben Z was the first to say first in one of my videos, and thus receives Notification Squad shout-out. So again, congratulations, Ben Z. Hi, Quadcopter 101 here, and we're out in the desert again. This is just another fun fly of my Vifly X150. I get a kick out of this little quadcopter, and I wanted to just fly it again. My wife's not with me today, but I can fly this on my own, I believe, since it's got a beeper. I should be able to find it if I crash it. So let's arm it and take to the air. Armed, and up we go. Yeah, I do like this little quadcopter. I like them when they're ready to go like this, and you know, you don't have to fiddle with the tuning on this. What I really like about this little thing, and what I'm going to try to do today, is flying it low and fast through the bushes here. You know, simulating racing to a bit. Trying to simulate racing somewhat. Trying to keep it low and fast, like it's supposed to be flown. Although some people like to go up and do some fun freestyle in there, or whatever you want to call it. I got a wind today here I'm fighting, but again, today's objective was low and fast. Trying to stay low. I like this little machine. And as you could guess, other people have got this already, and the word's getting out that this one is a winner. It really is. Going through the bushes here. Oh, it's too bad my wife's not recording this, but that's okay. You're seeing the FPV. Let's go up the road. Try to go through here. Yeah, I've been looking for one like this for a long time. One that can actually move. Move like the Dickens. Come here. Let's go around the car. Come down. Too high, too high. Lower, lower, lower. Still lower. Lower and faster. Wonderful little machine. Wonderful. Let's go up high again. Wonderful little machine. Love it. And I guess everybody else is getting this, is saying the same thing. It's just that, you know, keeping it light like this, I don't feel like I'm flying a brick. You know, you fly other racers and you say, geez, it's like pushing a brick through the sky. Not this one. This one feels aerodynamic almost, you know, almost like you're flying a plane. But it's not. It's a quadcopter. I love it. Love it. My voltage is, you know, I got to lower that warning voltage. It's going to probably pop off here soon. This can easily go down to about 3.3. And again, I'm just flying a little 150 milliamp per hour, or 550 milliamp per hour 4S battery. Wonderful. Oh, climbing up too high. So yeah, this would make an excellent little racer, I guess. Excellent. You know, you've got to go racing with it. There's beeping already. But again, you know, I got the beeper set too high. But I'm going to call it quits here shortly because I got to fly something else today. But let's bring it in. Let's go up one more time. Whee! I love it. I love this machine. This is my favorite racer right now, folks. A little Vifly X150. Let's bring it in. The wind's coming from my back, so let's see how close to the pad I can get. I got that lens really set high, so let's see if I can get closer though. It's closer, closer, closer. Disarming. So, hello. That is the X150 second flight. I enjoyed it. It was great. It's fantastic. I love this machine. So I'm gonna go get it, and we'll call it quits there, folks. So hope you enjoyed this flight. I enjoyed it. I had a blast there, zipping through the local bushes here at high speed. It's a great little machine. Really a great little machine. So Quadcopter 101, signing out.